In this session, let's learn about the prerequisites for SQL tuning. What do you need to know to write an efficient SQL and reduce the response time? You need to know three things. The first thing is familiarity with the database architecture. That means how Oracle stores the data, how it retrieves the data, and how it produces the result set. The second thing is you need to have knowledge of SQL. That means what tables to use, when to join each table, whether to join table A and table B and table C, or whether to join table B, table C and table A. So you see, you need to understand how well the data can be joined to write a perfect SQL. Example, when you are writing a SQL, you can say just select star from table where sales date equal to some date. It may take 1 minute. You might be wondering why it is taking so much time. It is taking so much time because there is lot of data in the table. So what should you do? You should maybe create an index because you are searching on a sales date, or maybe you need to create a partition. That means you need to divide the table into multiple pieces so that the data is less and you can retrieve the data pretty fast. In this way, in order to make you think, you need to know SQL. And to identify what is wrong in a SQL, you need SQL tuning tools. There are various tuning tools like explain plan, tkprof, and some other utilities which you can use to find what is the problem. We will learn about each of these as we go along with our program.